Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with two prerequisites. SQL Server Agent must be running, and you need sufficient rights, ideally SQL Agent Operator Role or sysadmin. Once connected in Ssms, open Object Explorer and expand the instance. Right-click SQL Server Agent, choose New, then Job. Name the job clearly, include environment or purpose in the name, because later filters depend on good naming. Add an owner if different than you, and set category so operators can find it. Now move to defining steps and schedules. You now add job steps. Click Steps New. Choose the type, TSQL for scripts, CMD exec for command line, or Ssys for packages, and paste or point to the code. Test each step manually to confirm behavior. Configure on success and on failure actions, set retry count and interval, and specify an output file for troubleshooting logs. Next, switch to schedules, create a new schedule, pick frequency and start time. Then enable it so the agent will execute as configured. Finish by setting notifications. Email or write to the Windows event log so you get alerted. Save the job, then right-click and choose Start Job at Step to run immediately for a final validation. Once done, monitor with Job Activity Monitor and review history for exit codes and messages. If something goes wrong, make sure the SQL Server Agent Service account has file, network, and database permissions required by your steps. Incorrect permissions are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.